Greetings, history enthusiasts. Today, we embark on a journey into the heart of World War II, unveiling the true power of Germany. Our voyage traverses the tumultuous waters of the mid-20th century, a time when the world was in the throes of a conflict of unprecedented scale and devastation. The German Reich, under the iron fist of Adolf Hitler, rose to power with a military might that seemed unbeatable. Their dominance wasn't merely a product of numbers or brute force, but rather a testament to their technological prowess and strategic acumen. From their formidable panzer divisions to the lightning-fast Blitzkrieg Tactics, from the enigmatic Enigma Machine to the awe-inspiring V2 rocket, Germany's power in World War II was a fusion of innovation, science, and ruthless efficiency. So, buckle up for an intriguing exploration of this dark yet fascinating chapter of human history. Join me as we explore the secrets and incredible technology that shaped the course of history. The German military machine was a formidable force. As we delve into the heart of the Second World War, we can't help but marvel at the sheer might of Germany's military arsenal. The country's strength was built on a foundation of tanks, aircraft and infantry, each more impressive than the last. Picture, if you will, the rumble of the panzer divisions. Their imposing steel frames a symbol of Germany's military prowess. These mechanical beasts swept across Europe, leaving a trail of destruction in their wake. And let's not forget the Luftwaffe, the German Air Force. Their dominance of the skies was a game-changer. Their aircraft, like the infamous Messerschmitt Bf 109, were a testament to German engineering and innovation. From panzer divisions to Luftwaffe dominance, Germany possessed cutting-edge technology that initially swept across Europe, leaving an indelible mark on the canvas of history. The secret behind Germany's lightning-fast victories lay in Blitzkrieg Tactics. Now, let's dive deeper into this. Blitzkrieg, or lightning war, was a strategy designed to create disorganization among enemy forces through speed and surprise. It combined a concentrated force of tanks, followed by infantry to infiltrate enemy lines, quickly encircling and defeating opposing forces. This tactic was first introduced during the invasion of Poland in 1939. The Germans, utilizing their advanced panzer divisions, swiftly cut through the Polish defenses, causing widespread panic and confusion. The same tactics were later used to great effect in the invasions of Belgium, the Netherlands, and France in 1940. The Blitzkrieg strategy was not just about speed, it was about coordination. The efficient use of radio communications allowed the Germans to synchronize their attacks, striking at just the right moment to break enemy lines. Coordinated strikes, rapid movements, Germany's military innovation was a game-changer. Enter the world of espionage. Germany's Enigma Machine, a cryptographic marvel, encrypted communications posing a formidable challenge for Allied codebreakers. This intricate device, a cornerstone of German military strategy, was designed to generate unbreakable codes. Each day, operating settings were changed, creating a new puzzle for anyone trying to decipher the messages. The Enigma Machine was far more than just a typewriter. It was a complex apparatus with rotors, plugs, and a plug board, each playing a crucial role in scrambling the original message into an almost unrecognizable form. The machine's genius lay in its simplicity. Type in your message, and out comes the ciphertext. But a machine is only as good as the system that supports it. The Germans trusted the Enigma so much that they used it for nearly all military communications. However, their overconfidence was their downfall. This cryptographic marvel encrypted communications, posing a formidable challenge for Allied codebreakers. The V2 rocket, a marvel of engineering, represented Germany's foray into space-age technology. Conceived in the crucible of conflict, the V2, or 𝐻𝐸𝐽𝐬, was the world's first long-range guided ballistic missile. The brainchild of German engineer Wernher von Braun, the V2 was a formidable weapon, capable of carrying a 1-ton warhead over a distance of 200 miles. Its speed and altitude were unprecedented, reaching the edge of space at over 3,000 miles per hour before descending upon its target. Its impact was both physical and psychological, delivering destruction while demonstrating Germany's technological prowess. But the V2's legacy extends beyond the battlefield. The knowledge and experience gained from its development played a crucial role in the space race. This early ballistic missile was a precursor to future space exploration, laying the groundwork for humanity's journey beyond the confines of Earth. Germany was at the forefront of jet propulsion. During the throes of World War II, German engineers and scientists were pushing the boundaries of what was thought possible in the realm of aviation. They were developing a technology that would revolutionize the way we see and understand flight: jet propulsion. This wasn't a mere experiment. It was a full-blown high-stakes project. The goal? To create aircraft that could fly faster and higher than anything before. The result was nothing short of astonishing. Jet engines, unlike their piston engine counterparts, didn't rely on propellers. Instead, they drew in air, compressed it, mixed it with fuel, and ignited it. The resulting force propelled the aircraft forward at incredible speeds. This innovation culminated in the Messerschmitt Me 262, a machine that was literally years ahead of its time. As the world's first operational jet-powered fighter aircraft, the Me 262 was faster and more powerful than anything the Allies had to offer. The Messerschmitt Me 262, the world's first operational jet-powered fighter aircraft, changed the face of aerial warfare. Germany's secret projects included advanced weaponry, from the deadly MG-42 machine gun to the innovative STG-44 assault rifle. The MG-42, with its fearsome rate of fire, was a force to be reckoned with on the battlefield, earning nicknames like Hitler's buzzsaw. The STG-44, on the other hand, was a revolutionary design. It bridged the gap between traditional rifles and fully automatic machine guns, essentially creating the concept of the assault rifle. But that's not all. Germany also experimented with experimental weapons such as the 𝐏𝐸𝐵, the largest cannon ever used in combat, and the Goliath tracked mine, essentially a remote-controlled bomb on treads. While these weapons were not widely used, they showcased Germany's willingness to push the boundaries of military technology. These weapons influenced post-war firearms, revealing the long-lasting impact of Germany's technological innovation. The U-boat technology was another German secret. As we delve deeper into the murky depths of World War II technology, we encounter the formidable German U-boats. These underwater predators were a marvel of engineering prowess, equipped with sophisticated navigational systems and powerful torpedoes. The development of the U-boat technology was a game-changer in naval warfare. It allowed Germany to carry out unrestricted submarine warfare, disrupting crucial supply lines and creating a state of fear among Allied naval forces. The U-boats were not just mere vessels, they were a manifestation of Germany's ingenuity and resilience. The impact of the U-boat technology was far-reaching. It forced the Allies to innovate and develop new tactics and technology to counter this threat. From developing sonar technology to the strategic use of convoys, the presence of U-boats transformed the dynamics of naval warfare. Silent and deadly, these submarines wreaked havoc on Allied shipping lanes, employing advanced engineering and stealth tactics. As we conclude, Germany's technological prowess left an indelible mark on military history. The Second World War saw astounding leaps in technology and strategy, largely propelled by the German war machine. The Blitzkrieg Tactics, the innovative military arsenal, the jet propulsion, and the V-2 rockets all stand testament to the era's audacious technological advancements. Equally intriguing was the world of espionage, with the Enigma machine posing an intricate puzzle for the Allies. Not to be overlooked is the U-boat technology that revolutionized naval warfare, turning the seas into perilous battlegrounds. These advancements were not confined within the boundaries of the war. They were the precursors to the modern machines and strategies we witness today. From space exploration to the design of aircraft and submarines, the influence of Germany's W2 technological prowess is profound. Its secrets and innovations echo through time, shaping the post-war era.